Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be replacing these basic black floor mats on the M4 to these new BMW M Performance floor mats, and I'm going to show you how to install them. Hold on. I know you guys are thinking, you're really going to make a video about installing floor mats in a car? And the answer is yes, but mainly just to document the process of kind of building this car to the way that I want it. I've never really done that with any of my cars, and I have an opportunity to really document every single step of the way. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So let's just get started. Let's take a closer look at the mats that are in the car already. This is a passenger side, and you can tell it's actually in really good shape. But something that I noticed is that the previous owner didn't have the Velcro anchors in the floor to kind of Velcro these to the ground, so they have a tendency to slip around. On the driver's side, you can see there's slightly more wear on this one, but what kind of sparked me wanting to do this is that because it doesn't have the anchors, this has a tendency to just slide up and get up on the gas pedal, and it really is pretty annoying. So before we get started, let me just tell you, I ordered these through ECS Tuning and got them for about $122, I believe. I'll drop a link in the description below. I get a lot of stuff from ECS. I've been a customer of theirs for 11 years, and I've always really liked working with them. So let's get started. So your mats are gonna come with 4 of these like Velcro mounting pucks. And the first thing we wanna do is install all 4 of them on both the driver and passenger side. So starting here on the passenger side of the car, you'll notice that there are little cuts in the carpet that came from the factory, that the back side of these pucks have a little hook that they can slide into. And what you're gonna do is just line it up, put it in there, and then just turn, and you'll feel it lock. And you're gonna do that for all 4 in the car, both driver and passenger side. So before we put the mats in, I just wanted to show you that there are Velcro pads that are actually gonna line up perfectly with the Velcro pucks. And so let's go ahead and just put the mat in. Okay, so now that the floor mats are installed, I think they look really good and tie the interior of the car together very well with the exterior, because the car kind of has this black carbon and pearl white theme going on, and because the mats are gray, it kind of just works and it pulls it together really nicely. Let me do like a little video montage so you can get a better view of them. There you have it. I really like them. I think it pulls together the interior really, really nicely. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.